Welcome back to Truehost Academy, your go-to channel for mastering online business strategies. Today we're looking into a crucial topic for Shopify store owners, SEO or search engine optimization. Ready to learn how to make your store more visible and drive more traffic? Let's get started. SEO is essential for any Shopify store that wants to thrive in the competitive online marketplace. By optimizing your store, you can increase visibility, attract more organic traffic, and boost your sales. So why is SEO so important? 1. Increased visibility. SEO helps your store rank higher in search engine results. When potential customers search for products, they're more likely to find yours if you're among the top results. 2. Driving organic traffic. A well-optimized store attracts more organic traffic. Unlike paid ads, organic traffic is cost-effective and leads to long-term customer relationships. 3. Higher conversion rates. With better visibility and targeted traffic, you'll see more visitors converting into paying customers. 4. Cost-effective marketing. SEO is a long-term investment with ongoing benefits. It's more budget-friendly compared to strategies like pay-per-click advertising. 5. Enhanced user experience. Good SEO practices also lead to a better user experience, with faster loading times and easy navigation. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website to improve its visibility in search engine results pages. For e-commerce, SEO is crucial in driving organic traffic to your store, but how do search engines work? Search engines use algorithms to crawl, index, and rank websites based on factors like content quality, site structure, and domain authority. Matching your content with user intent is key to ranking well. Now, let's prepare your Shopify store for SEO. First up, choose a custom domain. A custom domain makes your store look professional and trustworthy. It can also improve your search engine rankings. Integrate Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track performance and identify issues. Google Analytics gives insights into user behavior, while Search Console helps monitor your site's presence in search results. Choose a responsive, mobile-friendly theme. A seamless mobile experience not only improves SEO, but also keeps visitors engaged. Effective keyword research is the foundation of SEO. Identify primary keywords like women's dresses and secondary keywords like sleeveless midi dress. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest to find relevant keywords. Consider search intent, what users are looking for. There are 4 types: informational, navigational, transactional, and commercial investigation. Let's optimize your site structure and product pages. Use logical navigation, breadcrumb navigation, and internal linking. For product pages, focus on title tags, meta descriptions, and unique product descriptions. Optimize images by compressing files, using descriptive alt text and keyword-rich file names. Create valuable content to drive traffic. Start a blog to share insights and product information. Incorporate keywords naturally and aim for comprehensive, engaging content. Fix site errors and submit sitemaps. Regularly check for site errors and submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to analyze and improve your site's loading times. Build internal and external links. Use descriptive anchor text and link to relevant content within your store. Earn backlinks through guest blogging, creating shareable content, and networking with influencers. Use SEO tools and apps to streamline your efforts. Tools like Plugin SEO, Smart SEO, and Yoast SEO can help optimize your store. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process. By implementing these strategies, you can improve your store's visibility and drive more organic traffic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips from Truehost Academy. See you next time!